Hello everyone. Today I will give you a brief tutorial on how to use and get set up with using Hoopla. You can begin from either the KCPL from Home website, KCPL's main website at kanawlibrary.org, or you can go directly to Hoopla's website at hoopladigital.com. If you are using a mobile device, you are more than welcome to use the Hoopla app available through the App Store. Today we're going to begin from the KCPL from Home website and simply scroll down until we find the Hoopla link, which will be over here on the left-hand side. Once we click on that, it takes us directly to Hoopla's website. As we don't have an account yet, we will press the Get Started Today button. It will begin by asking us for an email address as well as creating a new password. Now in this case, I am putting in the email address that I've created specifically for these tutorials. And then creating a new password specifically for this Hoopla account. Once I press agree, of course, as you've just noticed, always a good idea to double check and read everything over. Now, it will automatically look up your general location to determine your library. You are welcome to type in the library. If it doesn't show up, I would strongly suggest putting in the zip code or choosing the Kanawha County Public Library from this list, as there are other Kanawha libraries in the country and they will not get you set up. From here, you type in your library card number and then type in your PIN. If you do not have your PIN or if you do not have a library card number, you can reach out to the library through the library Facebook page or our chat service. If you do not have a library card, you can use the I don't have a library card feature that's listed here, and that should allow you to create a temporary account until we get things resolved. After you press Sign Me Up, it should take us directly to the Hoopla start page that you will be seeing every time you sign in from this point on. Now, sometimes, of course, depending on your internet connection, it might take a little longer than you'd like, or you might have to refresh the page. Now, as you've noticed, we are on the Hoopla main page. When you sign in, this is kind of the opening splash page. You always have a My Hoopla carousel here, but you also have the ability to perform a search up here in the search box. You can leave it at everything, or you can narrow it down to a specific kind of content. In this case, as I've had some requests for Stephen King lately, I will just type in Stephen King, and as you can tell, it brings up everything. It brings up the audiobooks as well as the ebooks and other materials. If I need to narrow it down, I can go over to the Format tab here and then choose what type of material I am looking for. In this case, I will choose ebooks, and then I will just simply choose one of the books from this list. Now, when you click on the title, it will go ahead and bring you to the information on that title. You are given the title here, the cover, as well as a short blurb about the item in question. If this is an item you wish to check out, you simply press the borrow button here, and it'll give you a notice telling you how long you will have the item. Ebooks and audiobooks will be available for 21 days, while movies will be available for 3 days. After you press borrow title, you'll see this little pop-up here saying that you can now enjoy this title through, and then it'll give you your due date. You can stream it through your browser, or you can download it through the app. The only way to download an item from Hoopla is through the app. To read the book, or listen to the audiobook, or watch the movie, you can either press the read or watch or listen button that will be here on the item's main page, or you can click on the Hoopla button at the top left-hand side to see your list of items that are currently borrowed, and you'll be able to access them there. Viewing the material is rather simple. Books or ebooks can just be moved page by page by using the buttons on the sides, and the audiobooks and movies will just have a simple play button right there on the item page. That should get you set up with Hoopla. Should you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to any of the available library staff through the chat service available on the KCPL website, or you can send us a message through our Facebook homepage. I hope this helps. Enjoy using Hoopla.